Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our live trading session. New day, new possibilities. It's 9 a.m. in the morning, so London just opened. I think it's a good time for us to look for some opportunities on the market. We're gonna start now. In the meantime, just let me know on the chat if you can hear me well, guys. And I'm gonna start from microeconomic calendar, of course, because we need to check if there is anything important today. And I think there is something we need to look for. So let's have a look at forexfactory.com. You can see we are looking at high impact news. These red folders right here are high impact. And we got today an FP, non-farm payrolls, guys. One of the most important news. They've been moved from Friday till today. So it's unusual because we used to have those news on the first Friday of the month, but because of the shutdown, they've been moved. And today we got one of the most important news, I think, in macroeconomic calendar. So we need to be careful today, guys. We got quite big volatility in the morning. We got activity. Market is moving pretty good, but we can slow down before those news. So maybe in the morning we still might have some opportunities. We're gonna have a look at our basic strategy. So we're gonna look for all-in ASAP targets, and then we're gonna look for smart money concept. So basically, we're gonna try to find some setups, guys. Later on, probably we won't be trading. I'm just wondering, maybe we're gonna move our later session from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. It might be a good idea, because if we're gonna start 2 p.m., we won't place any trade anyway, so we're gonna have to wait for those news. And after the news, probably 15-30 minutes, we gonna have to hold as well. So I will let you know, guys, about later session, but maybe we're gonna start 3 p.m. okay? So nothing else that important in our microeconomic calendar. So let's move on to the charts. We're gonna start from MetaTrader 4, and then probably we're gonna move to TradingView. I'm gonna use MT4 because we got all-in panel, and this panel helps us to find targets from our basic strategy. And it's working pretty well. So let's look for some daily targets and some unusual targets from different hours. We're gonna start from basically the unusual targets, okay? Maybe it's gonna be a good idea. We got one target here, but you can see the price already got to that target. So this target is already settled. I want to check if we got any other targets. This is from 2 to 7, so we're gonna have a look for this one here. And yes, guys, we have a target, but the price is on the way to that target. So I'm not sure if we're gonna have a space to open the trade. Maybe yes. Maybe we're gonna open the tiny small trade. Let's check how many pips we have. We got only 5 pips. So guys, this is a bit risky trade, because we can basically look for the trade to open to get to that target. We got the imbalance here right now, so maybe if the price will go down, I'm gonna have reaction, but it's a bit tight over here. 5 pips, so we will have to set stop loss for 2 pips. I'm not sure if that is gonna work for us. So let's have a look. Okay, better for us would be if the price will gonna drop down, and we're gonna look for a place to open the trade from, maybe somewhere around this area right here. We will see. Usually these setups are pretty simple, but you know, we need some space also. We got some support resistance zone right here, and we had some reactions. The price basically stopped over here. Let me change the color. Okay, we got imbalance. This candle was pretty nice. It closed above exponential moving average. But I'm not sure. If we are looking at the price action, guys, we got three legs are done. Probably, I think, yes. 3 legs are done. So what can we expect after a 3-leg measure move? We can expect that the price will reverse and maybe we're gonna go opposite direction, but it doesn't have to be like that. Of course, we got this target here, and if we look at the statistics, we got more than 81% chances that the price will get here today, and we are basically on the way to that target. We got small imbalance right here. Okay, hopefully you can see that. And yes, let's have a look from 1 minute time frame. From 1 minute time frame, guys, if we're gonna have a reaction, how much space would we have? This is gonna be green, and we need another one. I don't usually open this kind of trades. It's very tight over here, guys. So we might have around 6 pips and stop loss for 3 pips. Not sure about that. I'm not really sure about that. Get prepared. We can maybe try to catch that move from 1 minute time frame, but very, very low risk, okay? Probably. I want to check something else, of course. We got 5 minutes time frame before we're gonna make decision. We got some trend line right here. Guys, you can see we had some reactions. Probably we got some kind of rotation channel, probably like this. So we had some reactions at the bottom, the top as well, but you can see the price went through, came back, and we got reaction right here. So there is a chance we're gonna drop down. We can try to use this setup, but we need to find a place where we want to exit the trade. So basically, if we're gonna break through and retest the support resistance zone, we might have a chance to go down, but where will be our target? Because we don't have any target here. We can check targets for daily targets from previous day. Maybe we're gonna have some target down the bottom. Let's have a look. Why not? Okay, I'm gonna move to 1 hour time frame and let's have a look if we have any. No, we don't have any targets. Whoa. We don't have any targets. So basically, where can we get, guys? We still got this support resistance zone to break through. I want to check if we got any volume levels. It can be our target. Why not? We have target here. We can use it. Sorry, not target, volume level. Probably we can use it, but it's gonna be tight as well, because if we're gonna have retest reaction, probably we're gonna have around 10 pips. It's a little bit better, but you know, it's still tight, I can say. This trade here can be a little bit risky. 1 second. I want to see this reaction here because we had imbalance, close this imbalance, and if we're gonna have reaction, we might have a chance, but halfway we got this trend line which is reacting very good, and this can block us from getting to the target. So I think I'm gonna leave that trade. It's a little bit too risky for me. Five minutes time frame. Okay, let's have a look at Asian session box. What do we have here? We didn't get to Asian session liquidity zone yet. That's for sure. So we still got some time. I want to check 1 hour time frame. Okay, 1 hour time frame. We stopped here today, again, for the third time. So this is the zone, this is the resistance zone. After the breakout, we might have a chance to go higher, because if you look from 1 hour time frame, we had some very strong bullish move, impulse going up. Then we had some kind of, let's say, range. The price was moving in this range. They grabbed some liquidity from the bottom and they are going up. So after the breakout through the support zone, we might have a chance to go up. But this may happen during the news because we're gonna have some non-farm payrolls later on, and we might have to wait for that. We are looking at 5 minutes time frame and Asian session box. If we're gonna go up and we're gonna have strong reaction, that means we're gonna grab some liquidity not only from today's high but from yesterday and from this support zone or support resistance zone. So if we're gonna grab liquidity and we're gonna have strong reaction of sellers, we can try to go down later on, but we need to wait for the price to go up. And of course, if there won't be reaction, probably we're gonna go higher. So I'm gonna leave it for now because I want to check other assets. If we can use one of these targets, might have a chance. Why not? GBP USD, we got target, but you can see the price already got to that target, so nothing to do. When I'm looking at GBP USD, I can see the 3 legs are done from price action cycle, so we can expect basically reversal move. So it might be a good idea, but we need some kind of place, target, place where we can get to. Yeah, I'm gonna leave this trend line. We can probably use over here Asian session liquidity because you can see the price got into the Asian session liquidity. So this is our liquid zone. Okay, we got reaction, so we can use it. Oh, sorry, 1 second, guys. Okay, so if we're gonna have now reaction, we're gonna wait for the breakout, maybe retest. After strong reaction, we're gonna try to go down. I would like to find a place where we can get to. So the same like on the Euro USD, I'm gonna check for volume levels, if we have any. Okay, we got volume level. We can use it as our target, guys. So after the breakout, we're gonna use this as our target. Of course, there is a chance we're gonna go to the other side of liquid zone of Asian session, so we might get here, but I think this is enough for us to make some profit. Okay, so on GBP USD, we're gonna wait for the breakout through this support resistance zone. The third leg measure move is done, and I think we can see over here. Once again, I'm gonna add one more tool. It's okay. We got something like double top over here, equal highs, double top, and we got 3 legs measure move is done. We got double top, so there is a chance for us for reversal. Okay, so we are about to break through, which is good. They grab some liquidity. Reaction is pretty good, I can say. This is some kind of current support resistance zone, so it's gonna be good if we're gonna break through. Okay, this area right here, and let's wait, guys. It's looking good, I can say, but first we need to break through. Okay, we're not gonna open the trade now. It's too early to say that we're gonna have some reversal. From this place it's gonna be around 20 pips, so maybe stop loss for 10, take profit for 20, so 1 to 2 risk to reward. Probably we can use this kind of risk to reward ratio, but you can see reaction and the trend line, so we still might go up, guys. So we need to be patient and wait for the right moment to enter the position, but we can save this plan and we can put that in our trading journal. So I will look for something like this, retest. If you're gonna retest this trend line, okay, but we don't have to retest the trend line. This area is enough for me. If we're gonna retest this area, there will be nice reaction of sellers. Probably exponential moving average also gonna help us right here, and we're gonna set stop loss. I'm not sure, but this kind of stop loss should be enough. 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. We will see. Maybe we're gonna change it, move it up or down a little bit, but we can catch this kind of move. Why not? So I'm gonna make a screenshot and we're gonna put that in the trading journal. Today is the 11th of, 1 second, guys, I need to create folder. 11th of February, and this is GBP USD. Basic sell. Dude. Basic sell. I'm gonna open my trading journal and let's do it, guys. Add new trade. GBP USD, we want to go down, so sell. Strategy basic sell. Lot size, I'm not sure at the moment, so random, same as the profit. We're gonna change that later. It doesn't matter at this moment. 11th of February 2026. Open time, not sure. So the same, we're gonna change it later. We can edit this trade later on, so don't worry, guys. Stop loss somewhere around 10 pips and take profit probably for 20 pips. And risk, I'm gonna take 0.25 risk for this trade on my big account. Okay, choose file, and we got what we got here. 11th GBP USD. Okay, I'm gonna save the trade. Just click trading plan and save it. Good, first plan of the day is done, guys. We got GBP USD basic sell setup, and we can have a look. We are looking for this kind of situation, and we're gonna try to use it, of course, unless the price will go higher, but it doesn't matter, because if we're gonna go higher, we can try to do something similar from this area. Why not? Okay, can see the price is reacting. They might still want to go higher. GBP USD. Okay, we got the plan is ready. The plan is ready. So all we need to do now, we just need to wait for this kind of situation. So let's have a look at the next one. Why not? Maybe USD CAD. Let's have a look. I'm gonna remove everything from the chart. Remove, close. Indicators, remove, expert advisors, remove. We're gonna put everything again. First, we're gonna have a look at the target from this one is done. Okay, doesn't matter anymore. What about the other one? It's still valid. I think the price went here. I'm not sure about this target because the price was close, less than pips to this target, so it might be done. Okay, so the price is too close anyways. All right, so we cannot use that target. I'm gonna check also daily targets, our standard targets. Maybe we got something a little bit lower. Okay, 1 hour time frame. Boom. Do you have anything? Not really. Not really. That's okay. That's okay. Sometimes we don't have targets. It doesn't mean we're gonna wait till tomorrow. No, we got other strategies we can use. So why not to use it, guys? First of all, I want to check where we at on USD CAD from higher time frame. We can see we are in some kind of bearish market structure from higher time frame. Let's find out if we got any rotation channel. Don't like it. 1 second, guys. 1 second. Maybe we should try to catch that from the bottom, but if I'm gonna catch these two swings. Okay, this line is working, but it's not what I'm looking for. Not yet. How about now? Okay, now it's looking much better, guys. We got nice rotation channel. We are somewhere, let's say, in the middle of this channel, okay? So where the price might be heading to? We got this low. This low is from the January, end of January. So they might be heading here. This can be the first stop. And this can be the second stop. Okay. How far are we? 28 pips, enough space. This is 5 minutes time frame, so I want to check some support resistance zones, of course. We cannot use Asian session liquidity yet. Maybe if we're gonna enter this area right here, maybe after that, yes. Advanced trading session. Okay, good. So this is our Asian session, and we are getting close to liquid zone, which is right here. So we might expect reaction, and maybe we can use it. But to be honest, I prefer where the price is grabbing liquidity. If we are in bearish trend from higher time frame, I prefer to grab liquidity from here, and I would like to follow the trend, okay? Because here we're gonna open the trade against the trend. It doesn't mean it won't work. It can work, guys, and maybe we're gonna open this trade. I'm just saying we got more chances if we follow the trend from higher time frame. So we had this support resistance zone, and it's been retested a few times. We've been even on the other side of this support zone, and the price is reacting now. we can check our AI volume indicator. Maybe we can use it to open the trade, guys. Why not? We got some toys, so why not to use them? AI. Okay, I'm gonna just change some settings right here. Good. Let's have a look. I need to download history probably. 2 seconds, guys, because you can see there is small problem with this levels, and that's okay. Now it's working. Good. No, here it's not working. Come on, what's going on? Okay, I'm gonna fix that later. I'm gonna check that on trading view. Doesn't matter. And we have some volumes on, and we had our indicator saying that we should go down. So, it's a little bit tricky because we got this zone over here and it was reacting, so we can stop here. This can be a quite risky trade, because if we want to use it properly, we should enter the trade now. 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. It's supposed to look like this, but I don't like this zone right here because we can be stopped. If we're gonna enter now, the price can go just 2-3 pips lower, and there is a chance the price will bounce. So, guys, we want to open the trade using setups which are perfect for us. So we follow the rules. If something is not right, sometimes it's better to stay away and wait for the next setup. So this can work, but I'm not sure about this zone right here. We might stop over here, okay? So probably we're gonna leave it. Okay. All right, I'm gonna remove that indicator. Good. So that was USD CAD. What's happening on gold? Just quick look at GBP USD. Price is going higher. Okay, we are in liquid zone, so we can still expect reaction. Don't worry. No worries, guys. Euro probably going up. No, euro is not going up. Okay, what's happening on gold? Let's have a look. Asian session. Oh, we grabbed liquidity from Asian session, which is good. The price is moving today. I think it's more consolidation than the bullish trend. Probably we can find some kind of rotation channel, maybe like this. Maybe we are breaking through, but I'm gonna remove that. I want to focus on this trend line right here. Just let me just make it right. Probably like this. We got first 2 swings. We got reactions here, which is good. We got reaction here, here, here. So if we're gonna break through, we might have a chance to go down. I think there is small tiny gap from today, just right on the other side of Asian session liquidity. So this can be our target, guys. The other side of liquid zone. The other side of liquid zone. How far are we? 250 pips. It's like nothing, guys. It's like nothing. Look, gold is moving. I'm not surprised. Gold is moving in some kind of consolidation. I'm pretty sure they are waiting for non-farm payrolls, and after non-farm payrolls, we're gonna know which way the market will be heading to. Okay, so we might today probably we're gonna move in some kind of consolidation because we got some important news later, and yes, we might see something like this, but might have a chance to get here. So why not? It's 5 minutes. Let's have a look at 5 minutes time frame. I want to also check AI volume indicator on gold. I want to check futures contracts. 2 seconds, guys. GC. And we got volume. This is quite risky trade because we got volume, quite strong volume area down the bottom. So if you're gonna enter short position in this place here after the breakout, there is a chance we're gonna go up. So I'm not sure about this. It's like 50-50. I want to be sure for, you know, at least 80%, let's say. 50 is like gambling, so I don't want to do that. That's for sure. We can see breakout, but I'm not really confident with this trade. So we're gonna stay away. We're gonna wait, guys. We're gonna wait. That's the best part of the trading, right? Okay, so gold, I think we're gonna leave it for now. We got USD CAD. Is GBP, is it moving or not? No, GBP is still going up. So we might have a chance. Probably we are going to this volume level, which is around, I'm not sure, 11 pips. Yeah, we might have a reaction here at volume level. And after that, we're gonna use the same setup, but from a higher place. And so we're gonna have more space. Maybe our risk to reward will be not 1 to 2. Maybe we can make it like 1 to 3. It's gonna be better probably for us. All right, 9:32. GBP is looking the best at this moment, so I'm gonna look for this trade. I think it's gonna be good trade, but we need to just wait for the right moment. This double top, it doesn't matter anymore because you can see the price went through that double top. So don't care about that anymore. We are going higher. Okay, what about crude oil? Let's have a look if we got any targets. This target is done. 5 minutes time frame. Yeah, it's done. Let's check target from 9. This one is still valid, guys, and we are 33 pips, so I'm gonna try to use this target right here. It's at level 64.47. The price is going up, which is good. So let's see where they want to go. Basically 1 hour time frame. I'm gonna move to trading view. It's gonna be easier for me to show you. Yes, for me to show you. I'm just gonna copy this level 6447. 6447. Okay, we got crude oil. 6447, that is our target. 64.47. Let me just check the price level. I think it's so similar. 64. The price is now at 6488. 6488. Yeah, it's the same. Good. So this is our target. Nice. Very nice. Good. Okay, so that's our target. We're gonna try to get to this target, but first we need to define some liquid zones, the places where we can reverse, because we're gonna look for a reversal move. This is the first place right here. We just entering this zone, so this is our buy side liquidity. buy side liquidity right here, and the next zone is a little bit higher. Right here. Okay. Oh. Look at higher time frame, guys. Look at this. 2 seconds. Okay. We are in some kind of rotation channel with some overshoot right here, but also we are breaking through this trend line. What that means, if you are in bullish rotation channel from higher time frame and we are breaking through this kind of trend line, there is a chance that we're gonna go higher. But this is higher time frame, guys. This is 4-hour time frame, so we still might have a chance to get to the target, because we might have reaction here at liquidity zone. The price may come back. They might want to retest this trend line right here, and the target, they're gonna get to the target, and after reaction later we're gonna look for a long position. Why not? This is quite interesting, guys, and the target is right at that trend line. If the price will reverse now, that will mean that we have double top right here, double top or equal highs, doesn't matter. Can you see that? At the moment, it is double top. If the price will go higher, probably we're gonna remove it. But for this moment, yes, it is double top. We need to find some latest trend line. Sometimes it helps us also to make decisions. So, and the latest trend line from lower time frame is this one here. But this is tight. Not much space now. Not much space, so would be much better if we're gonna go down, up, and then break out maybe here, because we're gonna have more space. If they're gonna reverse now, I'm not sure if we're gonna find a place to enter the position, unless we're gonna check our order flow. We're gonna check volume footprint to look for one of our patterns. Let's have a look. 5 minutes time frame, not really. What about 1 hour time frame? No. 5 minutes time frame, I cannot see anything, so we're gonna look at order flow, because if we're gonna wait for the price to break through this area, what I just told you, it's gonna be a little bit tight, and you know, not too many pips, and if we're gonna add the spreads, not much left gonna be for us. So let's wait for the price to go a little bit higher, then we're gonna look for the trade. Probably we're gonna use this order flow. All right, okay. 1 hour time frame, you can see double top right here. It's looking pretty good. Okay, let's leave it for now. Is GBP coming back or not? Not yet. They are still climbing up. They are climbing up. So this can be our stop. Let's mark it on the chart. This is buy side liquidity. So also this can be trigger for sellers from this area. Let's have a look. This is buy side liquidity, and we got some more liquidity right here, just a little bit higher, a few more pips higher. This one here, buy side liquidity. Good. All right. And we got our Asian session, of course. I'm gonna add this to the chart. Good. Remember, guys, that from price action cycle, 3 legs are done. 1, 2, 3. Now the 4th leg is done. Maybe we're gonna have some pullback. Maybe they're gonna do 5th leg. After 5 legs, guys, for sure we can expect reversal. But it all depends how much time we're gonna have, because we might wait for the price to get to this area for another 2 hours, and the market can slow down before non-farm payrolls. Maybe in an hour or two, market can stuck in some kind of consolidation, because everyone is gonna wait for the news. So not much time left for us. We'll see. GBP. Okay, what else do we have here? Euro stuck somewhere in the one place. Euro is already in consolidation from 5 minutes time frame. They stuck over here since 8 a.m. So nearly 2 hours. So you can see small consolidation right here. That's okay. USDCD, maybe yes, but just worry about this area. USDCHF, we didn't get into liquid zone. That can be a problem for us. We are in bearish market structure, so right now not really. Gold stopped. There is a reaction at the trend line. Guys, we need to be careful today. Like I said, we got some news later on, so slowly, guys. We don't need to open position now. We can wait for the news, and after the news, we're gonna be smarter probably. And we're gonna look for some trades. We can use also later on our price action cycle strategy. Gonna look for some spike setups. Probably we're gonna have much more activity later on. So that's for sure. Okay. All right. Crude oil is entering the liquid zone. So now we can expect reversal, but of course the price may go up. This is not double top because there's no reaction. Unless the price will reverse now. 1 hour time frame. Yes, we will see. We will see. Anyway, even if we're looking at crude oil from higher time frame, it's gonna be good if you're gonna retest this area. I'm gonna look for the trade later on for sure. Gonna wait for the retest. Why not? Oh, we didn't check targets on US 500, guys. Let's have a look. US 500. Where is it? S&P 500. Do we have any targets? Come on. All-in panel. Oh, yes. Guys, we have not much space, but we have target. It's around 82 pips away. 82 pips away. And we are about to break through this trend line. Guys, we can take a risk. Why not? We're gonna risk 0.1%, so around $1,000. I can risk $1,000. That's not a problem for, you know, if there is more risk, I usually risk $1,000. It might work, of course, because it's not too far. Let's have a look. US 500. Okay. 5 minutes time frame. We got our trend line. Okay, target is at level 69856. 69856, 69856. 698156. Okay. What? 6981. Something is not right here. I think we got different levels. 6973. Yes, we got different level. That's why. So it's around somewhere here. Very tight over here. The only risk we can use 1-to-1. I don't like 1-to-1 risk to reward, because in the long term it's not working that well. We could try trade like this pending order. Okay, guys, we're gonna do it for fun. I'm gonna risk $500, okay? No more points, just for fun, let's say. Pending order points, yes, percent, 0.05. I'm gonna set it here. The trade will open right now because of the spread. Very tight, guys. Price stopped over here, so just waiting for the price. It's gonna be better for us if we're gonna go a little bit lower. We got some imbalance here. Maybe this will be trigger for buyers, and we can enter from this place. We're gonna have much more space, and maybe we're gonna be able to make it 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio. But let's see, guys. I might have to open it by the market. This is 1 minute time frame. Hi, could you please also check target on US 100? Yes, I can. 1 second. Give me 2 seconds, guys. All in panel, load, 7 a.m. Oh, nice. This one is looking much better, I think. We got more space than on US 500. Guys, look, on US 500, not too much. We are very close, but situation is a little bit different. On Nasdaq. Nice. So, guys, we're gonna change our trade. I don't want to open it here. Let's leave it and let's move to US 100. this one here, because we got more space. More space. Okay. Start takes. Good. And the target is at level 25252.95. So around high of today. So it's somewhere around this area. This is our target. Target, okay. So that is our target. We got plenty of space, even if we're gonna set pending order. It's a little bit risky, but now I can risk more. A little bit more because it's looking much better, guys, and I think we can make smaller stop loss. And 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, why not? Why not? We might have to wait for this imbalance to be closed. Let me just prepare this trade. Risk mode, price points, percent entry 0.1. So we are risking $1,000 and points minus 100. Yes, now it's looking much better. And take profit for $2,000. Good. Still waiting for the price to break through, so no rush, guys, no rush. Nice. Very fucking nice. 5. Good, guys. Just thinking about pending order. Maybe I will open by the market. Let's wait a few more minutes. Guys, in about 7 minutes time, we're gonna have another live trading session on our Discord channel. So we're gonna have to finish in about 7 minutes time. If the price won't break through, okay, let me just set pending order. That's it, guys. I'm gonna put that trade into the trading journal. Trade is pending order is set. Risk $1,000. Take profit for $2,000. Let's make a screen. I'm gonna add this to the trading journal. So this is US 100. Excuse me, guys. US 500, ASAP, trading journal, add trade, US 100. We want to buy strategy ASAP. Lot size, we can have a look at that right now. Lot size is 1.68. We are trying to get $2,000. Open price, activation price is 2518856, and the close price is take profit is at level 2524975. Today is 11/02/2026. Open time, we're not sure yet, so we're gonna change that later. Stop loss is for around 300. And take profit 600. Risk 0.1. Good. Trading plan, let's just save it. Trade is saved. Let's have a look at trading plans. This one here, no, this one. So that's our plan. Pending order is set, guys. So we will see later on. how this trade will finish. If we're gonna go a little bit lower, let me just explain it to you, because we're gonna finish in a few minutes time. If we're gonna go lower, let's say to this imbalance right here, and we're gonna have reaction, probably I will move this pending order a little bit lower, okay, so I can get a few more extra pips, and stop loss will be also a little bit lower. So we need to watch the markets. If we're gonna break through now, okay. If we're gonna go down, I will have to move it maybe like this, and we're gonna have bigger take profit, maybe 1 to 2.5. Okay, so we need to wait a few more minutes. GBP USD, are they going down? No, we got to the volume level, so we might have reaction. I'm gonna check that in the second. And I think that's it for now, guys. We can switch. If you got access to our Discord channel, you can switch to Discord. We're gonna start session in about 4 minutes time. For now, guys, slowly take it easy, because we got non-farm payrolls later on, so be careful. Now you can still look for some opportunities, but probably 2 hours before NFP, I will leave the market and wait for the news, and I will try to keep you updated with our live trading session later on, because we might have to move it till 3 p.m. Okay, so watch our Discord. I will put some information there soon. So guys, thank you for now. Thank you for this live trading session. You can switch now to Discord channel, and we're gonna have another live trading session. So guys, good luck. I wish you